Welcome, today I am with REALME C25Y and I will show you a couple of camera tricks. At the first I will start from the settings. So when you are in the photo mode, tap on the right upper corner to open the settings. At the first we can change the volume buttons function. These two buttons. Currently is set up to the shutter, so when we click on our volume button, we can take photo. We can switch this option to zoom in. Take a look. Press volume up to zoom in and volume down to zoom out. As you can see, this option works very smooth. When we are here, we can also enable or disable camera sound. So as you can hear when I take photo, you can hear the shutter sound. Right now, you cannot hear it anymore. We can also enable the fingerprint shutter. So right now when I touch fingerprint, it's right here on the back. Take a look. Our phone is going to take photo. As you can see, the photo was taken. Honestly, I'm going to disable this option. We can also enable location on the photos, so we have to tap on the switcher. Also, we have to be sure that that location is enabled on your phone. Right here. And right now when you take a photo, you will find the exact location when you go for the details where the photo was taken. Unfortunately, right now it's not working, so I'm going to reset this camera. Let's try right now. Okay, it's still not working. I'm going to check. Here it's turned on. Yeah, it is. So I'm gonna to turn it on and turn it off. And the same with the location. But right now I'm going to check for the location right here. Let's check the camera permission. Okay, it's enabled. So I don't know what it was, probably some kind of the bug. Let's try it right now. Okay, as you can see, this feature is unfortunately not working in this smartphone, but normally you will get in this place the exact location with the small preview on the Google Maps. I don't know, maybe it's only the problem with my device. You can tell me in the comment if this option works in your case. But let's go back for the settings. As you can see right here, we can add the watermark to our photos. We can add the logo or time. We can enable both options. Right now, when we are going to take photo, as you can see right here, we can find the mark. It was shot on the REALME C25Y, and here we can find date and the time. But I'm going to turn it off. We can also use countdown duration, so we can add this small delay to our shutter, 10 or 3 seconds. Choose 3 seconds, tap on the shutter. As you can see, after 3 seconds, the photo will be taken. We can also enable the grid lines on the screen, so we can go for the normal grid lines. And as you can see right now, this help grid lines appears on the screen. They help us to take better composition on our photos. Like for example in this case. This logo is right now in the middle on the photo. It's thanks to this help grid lines that we turned on. Okay, and I think we can use one option, I mean the last option from the settings, it's the touch photography. So when you hold your phone like that, and you sometimes cannot reach this volume button, I mean this shutter, or you don't turn on volume button as a shutter, you can just touch the screen, and as you can see, it also takes photo. So we can use the touch screen shutter. I'm gonna turn it off. Okay, and when you are in the photo mode and when you tap on the screen, just like that, click and hold, we can decrease or increase brightness level manually. Wait a minute, let's make it one more time. As you can see, it's very bright, but right now we are going to decrease brightness level. And also we can set up automatically by tapping on the screen, just like that. We can also find Google Lens when you tap right here on the left upper corner. Of course, you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network or mobile data to let it works. Accept all the permission that pops on the screen. You can go for the search, shopping, places, homework, wherever you want. Let's go, for example, for the search. Let's grab this box, put our phone like that. Okay, it cannot detect this package, so let me just make it like that. Okay, that's interesting. It looks like the Google Lens is not working right here, because normally when you just aim with your camera on any object, like for example this one, you will find the blue highlight dot, and after that you are able to tap on the shutter and make the web search. Okay, as you can see, it works without the internet, but not that good. We can take a look how it works like that. Okay, and as you can see, it finds our REALME C25 online, but also other devices like C12, 21, Q3S. So unfortunately, there's another option in this camera set that is not working. Okay, right now let's try to open the more modes, where we can find, for example, 50 megapixel mode. With this mode, you will get more details on your photos. So take a look, we can zoom very close. Definitely closer than without this mode. Take a look one more time. And here you can take a look for the comparison. This photo was taken without 50 megapixel mode and we cannot zoom that close. So we get basically less details. And the last option that we can find right here as useful in this phone, it's the Pro mode, where you can adjust a lot of things manually, like for example the white balance, ISO, AF, shutter speed, contrast and the saturation, and also AF. If you don't know what is going on here and what all of these values means, you can just check other video on our YouTube channel where we show you how to use it. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.